check this out. It's like an equipment showroom lot right here. We could have an auction.
All right, this is day 2 of the barn cleanup, and we got this side over here and a little bit on that side. Definitely not as bad as what was on this side here yesterday. We're still going to use the big bucket. All right, so behind me, I heard something moving. Oh, maybe it's just a little... Oh, good. Whew. What are you doing in here? Good thing that big snake didn't find you yet. Let's go put you outside. Now, this little surprise... Yeah, I don't care about that one. There you go. Got the smaller tractor and that thing's really heavy. Oh, she got it. See, my little tractor's really coming in handy, isn't it, Joe? I'm glad you got it for me.
Alright, may not look like it, man, but holy cows, there was way more stuff in this barn than we thought. So now we're taking all the clean burn stuff to the pile. This stuff it stinks. You can't use it. Like Sharon used a one of the oak boards from here, okay, for a house furniture. And you know, she sanded it, totally stained it, and it still stinks like mildew in the house when it gets humid. So this stuff, all being mildew, is really not usable. So that's why it's all going in the burn pile, which has gotten a lot bigger since yesterday. And we know there's at least one rat still hiding in there. I think we're going to get rid of all that firewood. That firewood's the same way. I mean, if you were to burn that even outside, it's gonna release all them spores and that mildew. So probably all going. All right, let me show you our plan for the firewood. Whew, it's hot and sweaty again, but we are gonna bring the track loader in here, and I'm gonna butt it up all the way down, and we're gonna just push as much of the wood in as we can. And I'm just going to dump this stuff in the woods. We're not going to burn this since it's natural, but it is going in the woods somewhere. So, I mean, we're making big progress. Soon I'll be parking implements in here, and we'll see how this is going to work. Oh, hey.
Hey, where's that windmill that was in the back there? That was a really big one. You threw out my other one.
What windmill?
I have a protein bar.
What windmill?
It was right there.
You mean another one besides the one from the other day?
Since you already buried that one.
Oh.
Oh. Here's your protein. Huh. If I saw some walnut in here, I would definitely save it. As far as I can tell, it's all oak. It looks like red and white oak. And I don't want this in here. Number one reason is the rats and the snakes. So we know that there's still a rat in here somewhere. And they have it piled right next to the breaker. I mean, come on, people. One spark and my gosh, this dried up wood that's been here for probably since they built it 20 years ago. Yeah, we don't need any fuel in here. So I have to somehow guide him in here. him in here for gentle extraction. Yeah, that may be a good way to change the light bulbs. This way, I'm done filming. We're getting to the bottom of this pile, and yeah, look at that. This one is hollowed out by termites. You see all the tunnels. Termites. Oh yeah, there's our wood.
Everybody's always bagging on us for wasting stuff, so here's your opportunity. Free firewood. Plenty season and plenty dry. Come get it. Free to good home.
We got a good home for it. Right back where it came from. You're gonna have to, you're like that far from the edge. About that far. You're crooked. You can drop the bucket and then turn it. Turn it on. Okay. This post, you're about that far. A tiny bit. Okay. Well, that one might not be as successful as the first one. What? Yep. Alright, that's still better than lifting them all.
Check this out. It's like an equipment showroom lot right here. We could have an auction. Yeah. Not yet. I ain't that old and decrepit yet. I still use them. Look at this. Ching, ching, cha-cha-ching, cha-ching, 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 cha-ching. But it all is useful in life every day almost.